Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a cute Charizard. So let's start. First, draw the Charizard face. Draw a curved circle, like this. Well done. Now draw the head. Draw another curved line, just like this. Make the line long, then make the end curvy. Just draw like me, then you will not make any mistake. Make the drawing on the paper, like this. Now draw a big curve and complete the leg. Now draw a small line, then make the hand. Look how great it's looking. Good job. Now draw the Charizard stomach. Well done. Now draw the other leg also. Draw the big curve, then draw the foot. Good job. Now let's draw the other hand also. Draw it like this, then draw the stomach line. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look, we complete the Charizard body. Now let's draw the Charizard wings. Just draw like me. Draw a line just its parallel. Now make some half circle and connect it. Well done, we complete the wing. Now let's draw the Charizard tail. Draw a curved line and make it like a cone. Now draw another line, but make it big. Don't forget to draw the Charizard fire. Make the fire on the tail, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now let's draw Charizard ear. Make it like a small mountain, and it's done. Lastly, draw the Charizard eyes. Just draw the circle, then fill the color. Make the nose, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, use orange color and color the face. Color the outline, like this. Now slowly and carefully fill the color. Make sure not to color the eye and nose. Just color up and down, and it's done. Well done, it's looking very great. Now just color step by step, then you will not make any mistake. Color the neck, then color the hand. Color slowly, then color the leg. Well done, now color the other hand also. Now color the leg, and make sure to only color the leg, and it's done. Now color the Charizard tail. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now color the wing. Color the thin area, and don't color the outside. Lastly, color the Charizard horn, and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Now use yellow color, and color the stomach. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job! Now color the Charizard tail, and it's done. Don't forget to color the fire. Color the tail fire, and it's done. Good job! It's looking very great. Now use mint color, and color the Charizard wing. Color slowly, and look how beautiful it's looking. Now use gray color, and make some shadow. Draw a line on the wing, like this. Now draw a line on the stomach also. Draw a line on tail, and it's done. Now make like on its face. Draw a line on leg. Lastly, draw a line on the back. Now draw a line on the ear, and it's done. Now use white color, and make circle in the eyes. Now draw some line on face and stomach. Now draw a line on the leg, and lastly draw a line on the wing, and it's done. Good job! We complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. You know what? Charizard is my favorite Pokemon. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.